Hello, and
Hello.
welcome to the Cosmic Cultivators. Today's going to be a quickie, everybody. We have our biggest potato plant ready. Yeah,
We think they're ready.
we think they're ready. It's either going to be a bust like it has been because when the plants die back, it's time to pull, right? Well, I'm going to show you. So as you see, it's pretty like...
This was lush and beautiful not very long ago.
And now it's starting to die back a lot, as you see with the yellow here, but like we keep moderately watering it and nothing's happening. So wouldn't this cause rot if we waited too long?
So that's the thing that is controversial. A lot of people say that you can just leave potatoes in the ground for months at a time and they'll be perfectly fine. However, we have a serious pill bug problem in all of our garden beds. It's because we use so much compost. They're there to break down that compost. But once they break down that compost and there's nothing else left, they go after your plants, your potatoes, so on and so forth. The last batch that we pulled, you can attest to that fact that they were covered in potato bugs.
And you saw with our last video that we put out with the screening on the bottom of the pots, we're just trying new methods to keep a bug pressure away from our plants. Whether it works or not, we'll find out in 3 months, right? So
also on these ones, they did flower.
They did.
So
these did flower, so these have more potential. That all being said, go ahead and dig in, babe. I'll let you have honors here.
That went well.
We have mini potatoes already. Oh, the basket's right behind you. All right, you did honors. Now I'm going to go ahead and... Here we are getting potatoes again.
Yeah, I think the bigger ones are going to end up being in the dirt.
Oh, absolutely.
Like that one just came out almost completely clean.
Yeah, it really did. So I'm thinking, since you all gave us a pretty decent amount of comments last time on our potatoes, I think we're going to take the tiniest ones and throw them back in here. What do you think?
Yeah, we can try it. My thing is, how long does it take them to go to the whole chit stage? Yeah, seed potato still looks really good.
Well, maybe we can... It's still attached, dear, so...
You can try replanting it.
That's the only one that looks really good. So what we're going to do, see, the seed potato is attached. And that's like one of the ones that has a pretty decent amount of foliage. We're just going to go ahead and plant that one right back down.
Yeah, you can already see the potato bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not like that one. The seed potato is pretty much gone.
Here's another one.
That one's not looking too good.
Yeah. Well, here's a few more potatoes. There's a mini one right there. So we're not getting anything right now because we're pulling out all of... And it's just really, as you see, it's coming right out. So it's got to be pretty much dead, huh? If they're just popping out like that.
I would say.
We are getting potatoes. We should be getting more here as soon as we start digging.
Let's hope.
Yeah, if not, then we are good.
Doing something seriously wrong here. That's... You can try it.
Yeah, there's nothing that's gonna hurt. Yep. We're getting there, everybody. We promise. We said this was going to be a
Now, this is the one we were hoping we got quite a bit of weight from.
That's potatoes spent. Yeah, these.
They're getting,
Well, we
getting
haven't
a little
dug.
bigger.
We haven't dug yet either. So here's a bunch.
Yeah, that seed potato is spent.
There you go. Ooh.
I mean, we are racking up the potatoes. They're just not very big.
And we haven't started digging yet either.
That's a good one.
With a couple of decent ones.
New potatoes. Isn't that what they call the little ones? New potatoes.
Yeah. All right, now the fun part. Oh my goodness.
They're not huge by any means, but we're getting quite the quantity of them. Oh, I just saw. Gotta remember we layered this one too, so there could be some further down.
Sweet. You saw us harvest our potatoes, and we are going to go ahead and sacrifice the smallest ones.
Are you gonna try putting this one back in too?
We are. Go ahead and plop that right there. So we're also going to put this seed potato one back in there, because it seems like it has plenty of energy.
Gotta get it deeper than that. I need that root right there.
There's that
Let's
one.
get some little ones on it
We'll
too.
put this little guy over here. Go ahead and grab the other one. Okay. I'll go ahead and throw those taters back on there, and then we'll put soil on top of this, water it down, and we'll see what we get out of it for the rest of the year. We think sacrificing this one for the rest of the year isn't going to be that detrimental to us. So here's the rest of the soil. Oh, a little live action for you all. All right. Maybe we can plant some flowers in here too. Here it is, the potato haul for today.
Not the biggest potatoes, but potatoes nonetheless.
And
Lesson of potato growing. Don't take them out of the ground until the plant's completely dead. Let it die completely.
And we'll share with you our future July weigh-in compilation.
Second one in July, I think.
Second one in July. That was the first one over there, among many other things that are in the fridge. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. What do we have for potatoes here? We're hoping we got it all.
Feels like 30 pounds.
Yeah, 30 pounds of potatoes. And we have 3 pounds, 9 ounces of beautiful potatoes. So,
What's
notes.
what does that bring our grand total of potatoes up to?
It's about 10 pounds.
10 pounds, John. We're getting there.
10 pounds
Getting
of
there.
potatoes so far, with lots more to come.
We have
So,
about 12 more pots of potatoes. Lesson learned. Let all of your plants die off completely.
when it comes to potatoes,
And when I mean completely, like let that thing shrivel up to nothing and then pull your potatoes.
unless you have super bug pressure, which is what we concern ourselves with.
But almost 4 pounds of potatoes. We've been bringing in potatoes consistently now for the past week.
Yep, we had roasted potatoes.
And come on, we can all admit here, one of the easiest plants to grow. Set it, forget it. Just make sure you give it water every once in a while. And we're trying the newest method with our sweet potatoes with the bone meal and actual fertilizer in there to see if that boosts our productivity. So
Yeah,
stay tuned.
that'll be with the sweet potatoes. That all being said, hope you enjoyed our potato reveal. Wasn't the greatest, but
Live, learn, but keep on growing.
peace.